Okay, before the shotgun. Hold it. Make sure it's straight to your shoulder. Just look right down at the bead. It won't hit you in the face, don't worry.
I think it's jammed. This is tiring.
It kicks like a mule. It's fun though, eh?
Yeah.
I think that's all of them. That should be. And let's see Janae after the shotgun.